Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on CoinMe. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in coinme.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official CoinMe website. Now, right from the homepage, you can click on create a free account or click on create account at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the sign up portal for CoinMe. Now from this page, click on create account once again and you will be asked to enter your phone number for registration. Just type in your phone number followed by your email address. Then type in your email address once again for confirmation and then create a password for your account. After entering your preferred password, type this password once again for confirmation, and after entering all of these details, make sure you check on these two boxes and click on the continue button. You will then be asked to check your inbox for a verification. So log into your email address and then click on the link within, and then your account will officially be verified and created. You will then be allowed to edit a few more details about your account, and from this point on, you can use your newly set credentials to log into your account on CoinMe. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on CoinMe. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.